Happy morning everyone. Welcome to Byrappa Sons. Today I'll be showing you a designer collection of wedding sarees. And these sarees are pure silk and comes with a pure jari. And all of this saree comes with 2 gram gold and 3 gram silver. So without wasting any time, let's take a look at each of the sarees. Look at this. This is a pure golden jari and comes with a maroon shade. This is the actual maroon color what they use for the wedding. Look how beautiful the saree is. This is how the pallu looks. Very nicely done. Very beautiful pallu. And the entire saree comes with a jari. All of this comes with a jari. It's not a tissue saree, but the weaving is made completely in jari. And you have a very beautiful border, very nicely made. And this is the blouse. You get zigzag pattern. This is again a beautiful maroon color saree. It comes with a small buttas and a very nice rich border. I'll open and show the saree how it looks. The saree comes with a self design. You can see how nice the pallu is. Very beautiful, very nicely made. And the entire saree comes with all small weaving. Very decent, very nicely made. And you can take a look at the blouse piece. It comes with a polka dots. This saree is a magenta color. Comes with 3 gram pure silver jari. And it's all made in self design. You can see how beautiful the saree is. And this comes with a self design, self color combination. And this is the very rich pallu. And according to the pallu design also, they have compensated with a bright color border. And this is a beautiful flowery design buttas and runs through all the complete saree. And you get a beautiful zigzag design blouse piece. This is a lemon shade color and comes with a silver jari again. In silver jari you get a very nice fancy designs, and the color combination is also extremely fancy. You can see this is the very nice rich pallu, and the entire design you get a flower buttas which runs completely throughout the saree, and to compensate on that they have given a very nice rich border, a beautiful, it's of small size, and comes with a nice brocade blouse piece. This is a golden saree. Everything comes with a gold jari. The color combination of the saree is amazing. So beautiful and so elegant it is. You can see the border has a very nice rich temple design. This is the nice pallu, rich pallu. And the entire saree comes with a temple design. This side as well as on the side also you get a temple design. And you get a very nice, decent, very simple, very elegant border for the blouse piece. This is a very nice, very beautiful peacock color, and the saree has come out with complete jari. It's a very simple saree but looks very grand. There's a very limited number of designs on the saree. You can see the pallu, how beautiful the pallu looks. Very amazing, very nicely done. And the entire saree comes with a jari. All of this saree has come with a jari weaving. It's all jari weaving. It's not tissue saree. These are not tissue sarees, but full brocade saree, completely brocade with made of full jari. And you get a very nice border for it, which is again very grand. And for the blouse, you can see there is a zigzag design again with a nice small border on the top and big border on the bottom. So you can choose whichever design you want for the sleeves. This is a beautiful white color saree, comes with a silver jari. You can see how beautiful the saree is. And comes with an equal border on both the sides. This is how the rich pallu looks. It's very bright. If you can't make out the color, please turn the settings into high resolution. Only then you can see the exact design and the color combination also, because there won't be any blurriness on the video. And all of this comes with a cross pattern weaving and equal borders on either side. Each side you get an equal border. It's a big border. And you get a contrast blouse, self blouse, which is made in a brocade design again. And the design of this is very different. It comes with very small buttas as compared to what the design is there on the saree. This is a maroon color, comes with a silver jari, and this is a very unique design as well as the color combination also, because in maroon you don't see much of silver jari. We are coming up with a very latest design and concept for the season, and all of these sarees wasn't available last year. You can see how beautiful the saree looks. Comes with a complete zigzag pattern, and the weaving is made in a reverse opposite direction. You can see the weaving, very nicely made. It's all flat, all nicely made, so nothing to worry about the thread on the back side. And it comes with a small border. It's a medium size. You can see my palm size, very small it is. And this is the very rich pallu. And the design of the blouse is again very different, which is completely different from what you can see on the saree design. Very small buttas, very nice. It looks very brilliant. This is again a peacock color, comes with a silver jari, and the design is beautiful in the saree. The buttas, what you can see, it's all handloom saree, and it's very difficult to make in this handloom variety. You need a special master weaving for all this kind of manufacturing in the saree. A very nice rich pallu, a beautiful pallu, and comes with a superb leafy buttas throughout the saree, and the border has come out with a plain border which has no design. Looks very dazzling, and this you get a very beautiful polka dot blouse. This is a very beautiful pink color saree, comes with a very grand design. You can see the pallu, very beautifully made, very elegant, and the design of the saree is extremely beautiful. Comes with a very nice jari and a temple design on either side. You can see even the border also, border of the saree. It's a very medium sized border, comes with a temple design. And this is a blouse piece. It's a plain, doesn't come with a brocade, but it has a very nice border. This saree comes with a gold jari and also a gold saree. The color combination is beautiful. The design also looks very elegant in this color. You can see how the saree is. Very beautiful saree. Comes with a checks pattern through the entire saree, and it has a nice grand border. This is the pallu, a very beautiful pallu, very nicely made design, and this you get a blouse, a simple nice blouse which has a grand border. On one side you get a small border, on the other side it's a medium size, so whichever you want on the sleeves you can get it done. We have in black color shade also, black with silver jari. A very nice beautiful saree, and I'll show you how the pallu is. This is a very elegant, very nicely made saree, very rich, and this is the nice pallu, and the entire saree has a very beautiful design in black shade, and it has all small buttas. Now all customers prefer with the small designs, and this is the blouse, which looks very beautiful in this design. This is a beautiful pink color shade with a silver jari, and the saree comes with 3 grams of silver, which is a pure jari. You can see how beautiful the pallu is, very nice, very rich, and looks very grand. This you get a tree kind of designed buttas, and the size of the butta is same throughout the entire saree, and the border is a medium size. You can see the bottom is medium size, it's not too big also. And you get a zigzag, small, very small design of zigzag blouse design. This is a magenta color with a silver jari, and comes with a Mina butta. Very elegant, very nice saree. The design and the concept of the saree what we have showing you is all new varieties. You can see how beautiful the pallu is. Very rich, very nice. And this is the entire design what you get on the saree. You get a flower as well as leaf design. The flower is made of Mina butta, which comes with red design, and the leaf and everything comes with a silver jari. And this you get a normal size, a medium size border. You can see how big it is. And this is the blouse. Again you get a very small zigzag design. This is a peacock color saree, and you can see the color and the design is very unique. It gives a 3D effect. I'll show you the saree, how the saree looks. It gives you a 3D effect with the Mina buttas, and the butta design, it's all different and comes with all different sizes and different shapes. And this is a silver jari. Comes with a very nice rich pallu, and all of the saree design is of small design, and that is a nice border of medium size. And this is the blouse piece. It's a beautiful maroon shade saree. Comes with a golden jari. All this time I was showing you on silver jari, and this is a gold one. You can see how beautiful the color is. It's a dark maroon. The exact maroon color to make the saree, it's very difficult. You can see how beautiful the saree is. Comes with very nice design, and the border also comes with a self design, but it has a very grand border. This is a very nice pallu, very rich, very nicely made, and it goes in contrast with the saree design. And this is the blouse piece, which comes with full jari. Full jari, it's not tissue but comes with a full weaving. This is a baby pink saree, which is a leafy design. A beautiful saree with a beautiful design. It's a pastel shade, and people who wants a very light color, they can actually go for this. It looks very elegant. You can see how rich the pallu is. Very grand. The design is made perfectly on the either side and comes with a very grand rich pallu in the middle. And the design looks very amazing, very beautiful, very neatly done. You can see the flower also. The flower of the design, it's of a different combination. One comes with dark and the other comes with a very light combination. And this you get a very nice rich blouse piece. This is a bottle green saree, comes with a golden border. You can see the quality of the gold, how beautiful it is. It's of pure jari. And you get a very nice grand pallu. It's all made of very small design. And this is the very nice rich design saree. Comes with a leaf as well as the flower also. And you get a very nice grand border, and where you get a small temple on the end. And this is the very grand blouse piece. It's a beautiful saree. It's a magenta color and comes with a silver jari. You can see how nicely the design is. This is a very nice, rich, elegant pallu, and it is made of two designs. One in the weaving and the other one is in the tissue design. And you can see the weaving style what they have made. It's of 5 different design of horizontal. It's all different weaving style and comes with a very nice rich border. And the blouse of the saree is this one, zigzag design, and again with a very rich border. It's a beautiful baby pink color saree with a silver jari. Saree is extremely beautiful. If someone doesn't like too much of brocade, they can actually go for this butta design. People who are not too tall can go for this kind of a design, where the buttas are very nice, very small, very nicely made, and this is the very nice rich temple border. You can see the quality of the jari used is very good quality. It comes with a 3-gram silver, and this is the pallu, a fancy pallu, and to compensate on that you get a very beautiful checks made blouse. This is a beautiful gold saree. It comes with a golden jari also. You can see how the saree design looks. It's a leafy designed saree. This is a very nice rich pallu. Pallu comes with a very small design which doesn't have big buttas. The color combination is extremely beautiful. You can see how nicely the saree is made and comes with a very decent border, not too big also, it's a medium size. And you get a plain blouse with a nice border. This is a peacock color saree, and look how beautiful it looks with the silver jari. Very nice, very elegant, gives a 3D effect. The creativity used in the saree is extremely beautiful. I'll show you how the saree looks. It comes with a leafy as well as the flower design. The flower, the thread used is a purple shade, and for this it's a peacock color. And the jari also comes with a silver jari. You can see how beautiful and the design looks on the pallu. Comes with 3 different designs, and the border is also very medium. It's not too big also as well, and you get a polka dots blouse piece. This is a dark magenta shade which is actually looks like a wine color. Very beautiful the saree is. Comes with all small designs. You can see the pallu comes with a very small beautiful design which looks grand, and this is the saree design, and the entire saree comes with a very nice design of leaf and flower, and you get a very small border, very small border. You can see how big the border is. And the blouse also looks very beautiful in this saree. A very nice pink color shade, and the design is very new. That is why I wanted to make a video of the saree. Very beautiful design, very nicely made saree. To make this saree, it almost takes nearly 20 days. It's not so easy to make sarees like this because they use multiple number of color combination threads. You can see the thread what they have used is this is a baby pink, and then they have gone for a jari, and then they go on for a little more darker pink combination. So detailing of the saree is extremely beautiful, and you get a very nice rich border. Very nice rich border. It's a tissue. And the pallu is very beautiful, very nicely made. Excellent design. And this is the blouse. This is a dark maroon color combination. The design is actually small, it doesn't look big. You can see how beautiful the saree is. All of the saree comes with a self combination. You see the pallu, how rich it looks. Very beautiful, very nicely made pallu. And this is the saree. Very nice design, and all this design is very small, it's not too big. And you get a very, you can see the size, it's almost like 8-inch border. And the pallu, and this is the border, sorry, the blouse piece. You can see the blouse piece, how it looks. It comes with a very small pattern design. It's a diamond shape, and this is the border. This is a pastel shade saree, comes with a silver jari, and it's a baby pink combination. The fabric of the saree, it's little different from what I have shown in the other sarees. It's difficult to make out in the camera, but I'll show you. You can see the fabric. Fabric has come with a little shining. You can see the jari, small jari which is made. It gives you that shining appearance. And this is the saree, how it looks. Looks very nice, very brilliant, but you can't see this in the camera. You have to see it personally to make out the fabric, how it is. It's very beautiful. It looks very rich and looks very expensive also. This is the nice rich border, pallu, and this is the blouse. Comes with a polka dots and a big border. This is a nice magenta color saree. Comes with a silver jari. Now these days the silver jari is trending now, because in silver jari they are making very new designs which doesn't comes in the gold jari. So silver jari saree, you can see how beautiful it is, because the design and the appearance what you get on the design is very nice. You can see how beautiful the saree looks. Comes with a big border, very big border. And this is the blouse piece. This is gold saree and comes with golden jari. You can see how the saree jari shines. And these are all comes with a 2-gram gold, which is pure. The silk is also 100% pure silk. You can see the border, pallu. Very nice, very rich pallu, very beautiful it looks. And the entire saree comes with a very small designs of brocade. Comes with all kinds of designs. It comes with a flower, stem, leaf, birds, everything. And it and you got a very nice a medium sized border, which looks grand. And this is the extremely beautiful blouse piece. Comes with very plain, and you can see how good the color texture looks. The saree what I've shown you in this video, it's all a wedding collection, and it's the very latest designs what we have come up with. And if you want to know the price range, it's on the description, because each saree comes with a different design. So the range of the price is given in the description, and also the location, the contact number, and the other information what all you need, it's there in the description also. And to buy the saree, I know that it's very difficult to buy it online, but you can always visit our shop. The location is also given in the link in the description. You can please visit our shop, and you can take a look at more varieties what we have. And we also have a very nice tissue saree what will I be showing you on the next video, and it's very good. And please subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any updates in the future. Thank you very much.